Okay, hi guys. So thank you guys if you guys filled out the answer that you thought it was to the math question today, the multifamily math that I posted in the group, Mastering Multifamily with Veena Jetti. I'm going to go over the answers with you guys, and I have like a whiteboard here, so I'm going to attempt to do these at the same time while holding the camera, so wish me luck. Okay, so the question was, okay, I'm going to tilt this downward so you guys can see maybe. Can you see this? I don't know. Here, okay, I think if I go here, you can see it. Okay, you have 102 units you're buying, right? And the seller is asking you to pay the whisper price, right? The whisper price is just what the broker tells you that the seller is hoping to get. So this is what the seller's price is. And then you think it's worth, you can get it for about 95% of that amount. So to find the price per unit, we're going to divide the seller's price divided by 102 units. So 14,200,000. Okay, it's like so weird to write at this angle while holding a camera, but onward and upward. And we're going to divide that by 102 units, right? And that is going to give us, okay, hold on. I have to like ask Google to do this because I can't use my phone and I don't have a calculator. Hey, Google, what's 14,200,000 divided by 102?
14,200,000 divided by 102 is 139,215.686.
Okay. 139,215 is what it said. So this is what it says the seller's price per unit is. So now we're going to find out, okay, what if we think it's only worth 95% of that? So we're going to do, hey, Google, what is $139,200? Hey, Google, what is $139,215 divided or multiplied by 95%?
The answer is approximately 1,465.421 United States dollars.
No, that's wrong. See, I messed up my question to Google. Hey, Google, what's 139,215 times 95%?
139,215 times 95% is 132,254.25.
54. Okay, so this is where I think I'm going to be able to buy it. So now, some of you guys got creative in answering my question because I asked, what are you putting in your LOI? Initially, when I wrote the question, I had intended that you would say, this is the number you're going to put into it, right? This is your LOI number. Now, realistically, it's going to vary on market. It's going to vary on your relationship with the broker. It's going to depend why is the seller selling. There's a lot of factors that are going to go into what you're actually going to put into your LOI. So I know some of you, when you were answering, you were putting in like 80% or 85%. And really, there's no correct answer there because you might be able to get it 80%. You might be able to get it 90%. You might have to pay 103%. And sometimes it makes sense to pay a little bit of a premium on something because it is a phenomenal location, or maybe you have some intel on the property or the location that other people don't know. And so you have a competitive edge knowing, okay, if I go in, even if I pay 103% or 110% or whatever that number is, you can still be profitable and hit your pro forma numbers, then you might pay a little bit more. So there's no right answer as to what you would put into your LOI because it'll depend on the asset and how exactly you're looking at that deal and what your insider knowledge is. Or maybe, for example, you know that the seller is selling the property because they have to exit by the end of this year and it's November now and you can exit it by the end of this year or you can close on it by the end of this year. You might solve a really expensive and big problem. So maybe you don't have to pay 95% of the seller's whisper price. Maybe you're only paying 90%. So depending on that, you'll put different things in your LOI. It's going to change from time to time. But if you are looking at paying 95% of the whisper price at 102 units, the whisper being 14.2 million, you are looking at paying $132,254.